I'm back to Bali again and Winnie is next to me today. It's so weird. I have to Ubud to show you what's going on. It's busy. Sayang, did you miss me already?
Yeah, so
Okay.
today we will stroll around to showing you how it is now.
To the beginning, we entered the Purasana Sfati at the front of the Starbucks here. Just wanted to show you because it's actually pretty busy and there is opening for the dance, I guess. Or actually there is the entrance fee right now if you want to go to Purasana Saraswati. That's something new, but I'm not surprised as for everything now you have to pay. Previously it was free, right? Like last
And
time.
one thing, you have to wear something like, sarung and udang and something like that in order to enter the temple.
Yeah.
So
I think this is because of this silly lady, huh?
this is, because one mistake, one silly lady doing something silly, they change everything. You see,
Okay.
you have a special
Yeah.
dress code to enter the temple.
So everything has changed. Okay, let's go then. Let's go to the street. So basically right now everywhere you go you have to pay the entrance fee. So I've been there thousands of times. So okay, let's go straight. Let's focus what's going on today on the street. As you can see, Ubud will never disappoint you. Always easy. Always is something going on here. Online taxi drivers and bluebirds is not allowed. As always, people from all around the world here, and this is also nice art market additional. There are also nice rice fields.
Today we will show you just a little bit on the left side because normally we just go straight, and let's see how it is because I saw that some tourists are coming here to do shopping instead of going to the brand new building in Ubud traditional market. Maybe because some tourists still have a feeling that they prefer to go here to have a look and probably cheaper price.
However,
I'm not
the
sure.
stuff is the same. And don't get me wrong, this is not just walking street. The motorbikes are allowed. There are actually a lot of hotels deep inside. So time to time you can even find a car here. But of course, people buying the sarongs and stuff, regular stuff actually. And there are also some galleries and other tattoo actually. Why not? Of course. And after short walking distance from the previous location, Purasaraswati, we arrived to the main junction here in central Ubud, facing the King Palace, and where the dance performances every night, and also a little bit of the traffic mess situation, but it's not that tragic. However, the police officers catching the people without helmets again, and there is the new art market. But it's slightly more quieter today, a little bit. So yeah, but this is like a seasonal, like little bit of the different season, maybe something like that. And yeah, we're gonna go a little bit to the market around. We're gonna show you. And of course, local kids with the father driving without the helmet, no problem. But if you are a foreigner and driving without the helmet, that's the big problem. So yeah, that's Bali life. That's how does it look, the situation here today. Also some people here and there, this is it. At the front of the market, always something is going on. A lot of sellers trying to sell you the dance and brand new market. I showed you many times, but look at actually, Ubud will never disappoint you. I mean, always so many people working around. In Ubud, you can find the people like young people, senior people from all around the world, to compare, for example, to Canggu, where it attracts more younger community. Here you can find the people of any age, any background, just simply people from all around the world. Yes, Sayang?
Yeah, so I think that this is the number one, the most visited place so far in Bali whenever you are planning to come to Bali. So Ubud is the first tick list come here.
Yeah, I guess so, and I'm pretty sure it is like this one. And that's the proof actually, because a lot of people from all around the world, literally. Okay, let's get inside little bit of the market. I will show you what they have. It's basically the same stuff like anywhere else, but with the roof and everything. So you can find the stuff here, and people, also local people, Indonesian, and the cars, regular stuff everywhere. In every single market, basically, you will find the same stuff in Bali, not in Indonesia, in Bali. Like this one, bags, jewelry, bags, bracelets, hats, sarongs, dream catchers, more bags, rattan bags, regular stuff everywhere. Little bit of the street situation. There is sunset actually time, and most of the shops are open right now, so that's good. And then you can go straight. There are some restaurants and shops, or you can get inside a small alley and look for the old traditional market, which there are stalls outside the building. Not that busy like last time, huh?
Yeah.
Slightly quieter today. So that's the option with inside the market, or behind the market you can find like it was originally for ages. I think it's also very enjoyable to have a stroll around, but basically you will see the same stuff everywhere, with the only difference as little bit different layout. Oh, now they have the benches, but I think they had it already after they opened the building. And the regular stuff, dream catchers, basically this is it. And yeah, feels like slightly quieter than I was here like 2 weeks ago. So basically those streets, these markets are popular for the typical tourists who are coming to the first time to Bali, eventually for somebody who is looking to buy some stuff or the gifts, eventually for yourself. But definitely not much for the repeaters or for the long-term expats, because what you can buy, except you want to buy something for your house decoration, but even if so, you know where to buy on better price, or even in the walls. So this guy driving so fast actually as well. Okay, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the more market. Actually, you enter a little bit more deep inside, it's slightly busier, but after that, I just wanted to show you basically what you can find, how is the situation in general over here, what you can find. Oh, hello, local family like this one. No problem.
So we already did, walking quite long until there and take U-turn here, and now we are in Jalan Monkey Forest. And as you see that the traffic is still like this, stuck everywhere.
Stuck everywhere, and that's the shopping actually, so many shops, some people still of course, and I think I'm gonna go to cinnamon, have some cinnamon roll maybe, and coffee, because got headache, but overall this is it. Nothing really actually has changed. The street is always crowded here, isn't it?
It's coffee o'clock. Whenever you are in Ubud and you just got headache because of the traffic, it's time to have a coffee o'clock. So 2 coffee and 1 cinnamon roll cost us around 125,000. Yeah. Ubud price.
Ubud price. And it's also small place, but they making the rolls there deep inside, and the rolls are actually very nice. And coffee looks good as well. Okay. Coffee o'clock, cheers, smacznego, sayang.
Smacznego.
All right, coffee and cinnamon rolls, very nice. But look at this, what's going on the streets here. I gonna tell you, it's pretty busy. And we're going back to the central location. I just wanna show you a little bit of the street vlogging style, regular stuff. Oh, I'm actually, sandwiched between shop and the people here, but it's pretty busy here on the streets actually of Jalan Monkey Forest, but especially the traffic, this never-ending traffic in Bali and Ubud. They going most likely from Monkey Forest. This is one-way road. Also maybe tours are finishing, or maybe I don't know actually where these people are coming from and where they actually going, because the pedestrians on the street, there are some people of course, but it's not like extremely busy, and they shouldn't park these motorbikes, but they parking again, and you cannot squeeze even, so the mess is back again. But this is it, at least they are not parking like it used to be. There always somebody will be fine, 1 or 2 people, but overall this is how it is. And lucky as those people wearing helmets, because the police officers are there just in the at the corner, and they really execute the rules of people who driving without the helmet, but of course only for the foreigners. I witnessed so many local people driving without a helmet, there's no problem, but that's very typical to the Bali. It's also pretty loud also if you are walking here, because the amount of motorbikes, amount of cars, all of them, they are of course with the engine, much electric bikes and cars, so it's pretty loud, and also the pollution is pretty big. But this is also some walking street there. And then there is the restaurant also here, full of people, kinda. So it's like nearly 6 o'clock, just like the sunset time actually. So people are gonna go for a dinner, but it's pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you. At least if you are looking on the street, what is going on, the street situation, it looks and feels pretty busy, no matter of what. But the Ubud is like that, but also quite a lot of visitors still coming to Ubud, just everybody coming to the central location at the front of the Purasana Ubud Market, and there is the King Palace dance. So that's the central location in Ubud. Always busy over here. This lady over there, she drive on the footpath, no helmet, no problem. But then foreigner gonna go soon. I will show you, this the big problem. Oh, this lady, she have no zip helmet, but she have a helmet at least. Okay, let's see. All right, we have a local couple here without the helmets. They're just chilling and driving, and I don't think so there is any issue with it. Of course not. Also, there is the police car and police motorbike. You are right, mate. The bike hit me a little bit. Okay, no worries, all is good. And they also put the chains on the bikes, so if you have no helmet or maybe no driving license, perhaps you cannot continue your drive. And that's some sort of an issue. But this is it. Tang, would you like to add something to the current state of situation here?
Just kindly remind you guys, whenever you are coming to Ubud, just please wear your helmet. Otherwise, your motorbikes, your rented motorbikes will be in chain like that.
And driving license.
And driving license, you have to remember that. Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.